Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to take a look at another mouse from Asus. This is the Marshmallow Mouse Lite. So before I start the video, I just want to point out that I'm trying something different on this one. So I have the lavalier mic connected to my shirt, so I'm recording my voice on that one. But I am using two additional mics to the left and to the right side of the mouse here. So I'm gonna incorporate that audio, so we're gonna see what that looks like. Also, if you notice this harsh shadow, I'm recording in natural light right now, and I do want to point out that I'm recording this on my phone and I'm using manual mode, or the pro mode I guess, and because it's so bright I had to add the MD32 filter. So if you notice any weird color shift, that's because of that. Also, I'm recording this in HDR10+, so we're gonna see what that looks like. Alright, let's get on with the video. Alright, so I had to adjust a little bit. So what's interesting with this one, I'm gonna check the previous one. I don't remember this being called the Lite, so maybe it has to do with the color, I'm not sure. So this is the gray one, and it does still have the replaceable or swappable top, I guess, but it looks like it just comes with the one, so maybe that's why. The previous one, if you remember, had two. So let's pull the tab here. Okay. And then we have this loop thing that you can use to carry the mouse. I personally like to tuck it back in. And we have the USB dongle here. So this is a Bluetooth mouse, of course, but you do have this option if you want to connect it that way to your computer. And this is a silent mouse, so as it says here, portable, wireless, and silent. So the scroll wheel is also silent. And this is the other side. So basically we have the LED indicator, and then we have this sensor here, and then we have the toggle switch. So basically you can go from wireless, so when you use the USB dongle, or Bluetooth, so then it is the Bluetooth connection. And it has these two buttons here. So So one of them is the DPI selector, basically, so you can switch between I'm not sure exactly the value, probably like 1000 to 1600, and then you have the pair button basically for the Bluetooth connection. So just for reference, I'm gonna bring the original Marshmallow mouse that I have. So this is the original one that I got. It's identical. So basically we have the different colors. This is without the MD filter. I just wanted to see if there's a difference actually in the color or anything. It does look a bit different, less contrast. But yeah, this is pretty much what they look like under natural light. Alright, that's pretty much for the video. If you want to see more, actually to see like a more detailed review on the Marshmallow mouse, I'm gonna link the video that I did on the previous one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.